Pixel 2's camera is one of the best, and the portrait mode is even better. So now what if I tell you that you can get that portrait mode in almost any Android device? It won't be the exact same, but you'll get some surprising results. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Go to the first link in the description and install this application called Manual Camera Compatibility. This application will let you know whether your device is compatible for the portrait mode. Once you install the application, go into it, tap on start. So if you get check mark in all the column, you're good to go. So there are two more requirements which you need to confirm. One is that your device must be running on Android 8.0, and next one is you need to run a 64-bit version of Android Oreo. So if you're using Redmi Note 3, make sure you download and install the application which is found in the second link, and if you're having any other device, you can use the third link in the description. Make sure your device is compatible for the portrait mode. Once you're done with it, then go ahead and install the application. So if the portrait mode is not working for your device, do let me know in the comment section. I will try to leave the updated version of the APK. Once you're downloaded and installed the correct version of the device, go to the setting, then just follow all these steps. For configuration camera HDR+, choose Nexus 6 Auto. For the model, choose Nexus 6P. Then you can leave the HDR parameters in default settings. Then scroll down to the advanced column, tap on that and make sure you just check all these boxes as I'm showing in the video. Once you're done with it, just go back, then go to the setting of this application, then you just need to force stop this application. So after doing this, the camera application will start working. So if it's not working, try to do this procedure once again and it will definitely work. So if the portrait mode is not seen in your device, just go to the setting option, then scroll down to advanced, then make sure you check this box that is the portrait mode. Once you're done with it, then everything should work. So best part of the device is the portrait mode works both in the rear and the front facing camera. So now let me show you the difference between the photo taken without the portrait mode and the photo taken with the portrait mode. So this selfie I have taken without the portrait mode. As you see, the background is visible. Now this photo I have taken with the portrait mode on, and you can see there is a clear division between the background and the subject. So they'll be given a small cut, and you can see that the background is given with a blur and the subject is focused properly. This portrait mode works even in the rear camera. So talking about the flaw, so the motion mode is not working and the camera application is little buggy. Sometimes it crashes and you need to even restart the whole application. It's not quite stable, but I'm pretty sure with future update this application will be quite stable. So those people who are having non-Oreo devices may ask, what can we do? You guys can go ahead and install this version of Google Camera, in which you'll be getting a mode called lens blur, which will be doing something very similar to the portrait mode. You can't tell the lens blur is really good, but it will get your job done. I'll be leaving a link in the description for this page so you guys can go and check it out. So that's it for the video, guys. So if you liked it, go on smash the like button, and if you love the video, do subscribe to my channel. All the apps which I mentioned in the video, their link are in the description, so check it out. So until then, it's me signing off. Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget, peace out.